Hi. Me and Grams over here just cooling, hugging the block.
Hugging the block.
Hugging the block. Don't that light hit you real vicious, right?
Yeah.
Don't give her too much. Better.
Yeah.
Let's do something.
Okay.
Wait, weren't we host together?
Yeah,
on the other show?
We was.
Huh? So on this segment of our show, we
This is the quiet time. We are really going through some right now. It's raining outside, nothing to do tonight. So we're gonna give you a little show, okay?
one sec, be back.
Voila. We come to you from 303 on the 3rd floor of the Best Smith North, otherwise known as the Twin Towers, the girls' side.
And we have a special guest today.
Ew.
Move, Grams. Where am I? What word is that? Let's introduce you, Nate. What's wrong with you?
Now introducing
Nate.
Kristen Riley. How's everybody doing?
Get in the middle.
Okay.
She's our special guest for the day, and
Girl! And we have another
we
one.
have another guest today. Her name is Girl.
Lily.
What are y'all doing?
Hey, Lily. You got your hair done.
Yeah.
Girl.
Lily.
We were just talking about you too.
Hey.
Hey.
See? So this is room
Snap. Oh my god. I didn't know that was her.
This is room
303.
303, and we are really going through something today. We have no plans.
This is new. Y'all don't have no plans.
This is a shirt.
It's kind of
It's because it's raining outside.
silver black. It's kind of like half shirt.
Hey,
Maybe see that.
6'4" asked me to come over.
But,
here.
You have plans then.
Some late.
No, she
She
don't
told
have
me to
no
bring a friend
plans.
Bring your friend. Bring Gabby.
Grams.
Who was 6 low?
6 flow.
Her dream guy. This guy she met today.
Hey, girl! Have you ever seen him before, like in first person, face to face?
Yeah.
How tall is he?
He's not that tall. Like, Alicia taller than Gabby.
7 grams. Stand up. Yeah.
That's good. That's good. That's good.
Alright.
I want to see this. Okay.
I'm sorry, right? Bleh.
Well,
Commercial break.
yeah, see you later.